Hey guys, welcome to Geeks Neuron. I'm Manthan Kasaria. So I was just wandering around on the internet and exploring some new repos on GitHub, and I found these three amazing tools, which can be really helpful if you are a CTF player or you are doing a real life bug bounty hunting. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So the first one is AORT. It is all-in-one recon tool. So let's check the rep of this tool. Right, AORT. So basically this tool is for enumeration, like subdomain enumeration, and there are various other features like we can do GUIs lookup, IP address lookup, and many more things with a domain, right? So in my point of view, it is really a very good tool for bug bounty hunters or penetration testers, right? So let's try to implement the tool. So basically we can use this Python file from like source code, or also we can use the package like pip install AORT. So I already have installed the package. So AORT-h. Alright, so the features which are given here are really amazing features like port scanning, domain zone transfer, enumerate mail servers, and etc. Right? And finding all the features in one tool is really a great thing. So let's try to implement these things with a real website or domain, you can say. AORT PSD for the domain, and the domain we're using is let's say tryacme.com. So now it will run the scan and it will give the output for the subdomains. So currently there are 14 subdomains available for tryacme.com. Right, this is great. Now let's say I want to do a port scan for this domain. So I can use -p here, or let's say domain zone transfer, then use -a. There are different flags given here. But let's say I want to do all these enumeration at once. Then there is a flag called -all, which will do all of these tasks at once, right? So let's try to do that here. So we'll discover the subdomain again. Now it is scanning for the open port, but it will not scan all the ports here. It will just scan the common ports, right? And then there is a valid name servers, domain zone transfer attack. So it found valid mail servers, also the IPv4 address and IPv6 address. And then we can say GUIs lookup here also. So it's really a great thing, right? And many more enumeration. On my point of view, it is really a great tool for a penetration tester or it's a bug bounty hunter. Like finding all of this thing in one tool is really a great thing, right? So now let's move to the another tool, which is ChopChop CD. So here is the GitHub repo for the ChopChop. Alright, so this tool is like for scanning the security for the different pages of the given URL, right? So if the URL is not secure, then it will tell that what is the vulnerability, and it will also give the suggestion that how can you fix that and how can that vulnerability can affect your system, your URL or whatever. So let's directly move to the terminal and try to implement this also. Go ChopChop. Let's say scan, and let's scan the URL. I have the permission to scan this URL, so nothing to worry about here. So as you can see, the endpoint developing links paml.php. There are not like any serious issue here. Let's try to scan another URL, which is byte.com. Alright, so here we found a no security issue here. So it is like Drupal CMS, right? And the remediation is like check that the version is the last one available on the vendor's website. So as you can see, it found the security issue here on the homepage, like Drupal CMS. And the way to fix that issue, the severity is low. So from that, we can say that there is nothing to worry about much. But yeah, this is also a great tool. So now let's move to the another tool. Cerbrutus. Cerbrutus is basically a brute forcing tool, like Hydra. But the most amazing thing of this tool is like, it is way faster than Hydra. Let's check the directory here. Brute forcing. And also the creator is the well-known person 0DCTF. So we can also say that it is the optimized version of the Hydra, right? But the thing is, it is only working for SSH and FTP currently, right? So let's try to implement this tool also. So we have one SSH server here on the over the web SSH server, right? And the argument is SSH u for the username, which is bandit 0. Here I will use the password.txt file which I just created. And we can also provide the threads here for this. The port number was 2220. And let's hit enter. So like we can run more threads for more speeds. The thing is like more threads will not provide that much accuracy, so running 10 threads is good enough for now. Right, and here we got our credentials. Correct. So this tool is also good for brute forcing. Like if Hydra is taking too much time, then you can use this one also. Optimize method. Yeah, so these are all 3 tools. So that's all. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. And subscribe to Geeks Neuron for more amazing content like this. Now see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.